What is the 1948 cases of Italian citizenship by descent? Today we want to talk about this really important argument because a lot of people are discovering to be eligible for Italian citizenship through this special category of cases. This is Marco Bersani, as always, from the Bersani Law Firm&Partners from Italy, an Italian immigration law firm with expertise on Italian citizenship application. So do not lose any more time and let's start. Today we want to talk about the so-called 1948 cases. And I think it's very important. Why? Because there are a lot of people that are making some research. Maybe for you it's the first time you are hearing about the applications for Italian citizenship by descent, or maybe you try to collect some information and maybe you try to contact your local Italian consulate for asking if you can qualify for Italian citizenship by descent, and you describe to them your family tree and they say to you, no, you don't qualify. But then you maybe discover that you may qualify. 1948, why this year? Why this year is so important? This is the year when the Italian Constitution took in place. When Italy for the first time in 1948 had the actual Italian Constitution. So starting from that year, thanks to the Italian Constitution, women can pass Italian citizenship to children. If you have, technically speaking, a 1948 case when you have a female, for example, your grandmother had your father before the year 1948, and so in that case you cannot go through the Italian consulate. The Italian consulate cannot accept your application, but not because the consulate don't want you to qualify, don't want to accept your application, but because the Italian consulate just applied the law. But you can apply only and only through an Italian immigration court. So you can only claim your Italian citizenship by descent through your Italian immigration attorney. You can give a part of attorney to your Italian immigration attorney, and your Italian immigration attorney can file your petition and represent you for the entire process for you and, of course, all the family members interested to join your case. The Italian court, the Italian jurisprudence during the many years, starting from the year 2009, the Italian court started to create these new cases by saying that the past law, the old law, it was a clear discrimination about women. And so the court started to say, no, also women can pass Italian citizenship by descent to children, and so all the generation, up to you. And we can check for you if you have a 1948 case. I mean, we are always happy, and the team is always happy to provide you some assistance. We can check your eligibility for free, so you can contact us through our website. You can send to us all your relevant information about your family tree, about your family Italian heritage. We will check your family tree, and of course, if you have some question, you have some doubts, you have something you want to ask to us about the 1948 cases, you can always contact us through the website. You can also leave here some questions if you want below this video through YouTube. We are always happy, but of course we cannot provide legal consultation here. Of course, you need to book your consultation, or you can contact us through the contact form. As always, thank you so much for your attention and see you on next videos.